What's going on, guys? Welcome back to All Gains Mindset, where we get you on the grind and improve your mind in every video. Today we have another butcherbox unboxing to do. This one is for November. This is technically the holiday box. This is going to be my box that I'm going to get for the holidays, since I won't get one in December. This one is going to be the one that I get pretty much that's going to take me from now to the new year. And since Andrew and I are in the middle of doing our challenge, this is perfect because now I really need to be using this to keep me on track nutritionally and get me to win the money in the challenge. If you don't know about the challenge, I'll put it in the cards just so you can take a look at that after this. But yeah, so let me put this down and let's get into the unboxing. If you haven't watched any of these videos before, definitely go and check out some of the other ones. They have a lot of information in them. Some of these usually have around the same things, but certain ones have, special things in them that I usually go in depth with. I'm not going to go into too in depth with a lot of the stuff, since a lot of the stuff I cover in these previous ones, but definitely go check them out if you want to know more about these certain products that I have in here. All right, let's start off with some of the easy stuff. So, of course, as always, I have my ground beef patties. There's 6 of them. Easy, done, quick. I have 4 of my 6 pounds of ground beef. That's 4 of 6. I'll get the other 2 in a second. Here are the other 2. Perfect. I got 2 pounds of ground bison. This stuff's really good, by the way. This stuff is awesome. If you've never had it before, definitely get that. All right, so here comes some of the stuff that you do know, but I guess you don't, but do. All right, so I think in the last box I had a whole bunch of ribeyes. So this one is going to be similar, not all the way, but there's something special at the end that I'll definitely get to. But right here, I got two of the grass-fed ribeyes. I got 2 more grass-fed ribeyes, so that's 4 ribeyes so far. These are another thing, the grass-fed ribeyes right here, so I think another 6. And then I have a thick grass-fed ribeye. It's just one ribeye. It's just one big boy. It's 18 ounces. So that's a little over a pound. It's awesome. It's actually pretty cool. Then I got 2 strips, as I've always said, and you can go and look back on the channel and the previous unboxings that I've done. What I don't really like about the strips, and what actually might stop me from getting them anymore, is them not taking off, not trimming the nerve that's over in the top corner here. It's right here. I personally, like, I don't mind because I always can just cut it before I do anything. But at the same time, like, sometimes I just really don't want to do that. I'd rather just have it already be done, because you're not going to be able to eat that. Like, a lot of people are not going to be able to chew through that. It's just a lot of work. And so I might actually stop getting strips because of that and just replace it with more ribeyes, because I personally like ribeyes better than strip, but I only get both because I know I can get both. But I might stop getting both just so I can get more ribs, and I won't have to worry about having that deal with the hassle of dealing with this specifically. If that's how you feel too, I wouldn't go against you on that. And then the last thing I got here, the last one I have is, of course, the 2 filet mignons. So, and you might be questioning, like, why would I even get that? The only reason why I get that is, number one, just in case if my wife wants a steak specifically, I'll have it for her. But if she doesn't want it, then I usually have them both together because they're pretty small. So I wouldn't be able to have one just for one meal. I would have to have both of them. At least that's just how I am. All right, now for the bacon. So, of course, the tender belly bacon. This stuff's really, really good. Very flavorful. And it's like a whole pound. It's great. And I have a lot of the Applewood no sugar bacons coming. So here's 2. I got 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, and here is the last thing that I got. So this right here is a 4-pound boneless rib roast, grass-fed, grass-finished, and this is going to be my holiday meal. So this is going to be something that I'm going to prep this up a couple days beforehand and have this for Christmas dinner. This is honestly really cool. I've never actually seen a rib roast pretty much frozen and wrapped in like this plastic before, so it's pretty cool to see. And it's going to be interesting um to actually do the roast, because I've only done like bone-in roasts, never done a boneless. It'll probably be a lot easier, to be honest. Probably take a little less time, but I am excited for it. Honestly, it's gonna be cool. I can't wait to do that. But yeah, so guys, this is all my stuff right here. And if you guys ever want to get your own butcher box, definitely go in down below in the description. Definitely go to our link and you can get your own box there. It'll show you everything that you can get, types of boxes you can get, how many times you can get it in a span of a month, 2 months, however long you want to hold it for. That you can pretty much customize it however you'd like. It has the best quality products. Like all these are grass fed, grass finished, pasture raised. The best quality, and the bacon's no sugar. Pretty much everything has no sugar in it. It's very high quality, very high standard, and I appreciate that, because a lot of people, they can't find a lot of those things, and so ButcherBox has it all right here, pretty much. So definitely go, if you ever are interested. Definitely go down, check them out. Definitely get one yourself. And if you like the video and you like the unboxing, definitely hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And for more of these types of content, definitely go and make sure you keep watching, and we'll see you in the next video.